Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rolls at home easy. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of warm water, and 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Ensuring your yeast is fresh is key for good rise. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your flour, yeast, sugar, and salt. Give them a quick whisk. Then, pour in the warm water and melted butter. Mix these ingredients together until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 8 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it becomes smooth, elastic, and springs back when gently poked. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, turning it once to coat. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Divide the dough into 12 equal pieces, each weighing approximately 2 ounces. Shape each piece into a smooth, round ball, ready for the next step. Arrange your shaped rolls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each. Cover them again and let them rise for a second time, for about 30 minutes until they look puffy. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are beautifully golden brown on top. Enjoy your warm, homemade, easy-to-make rolls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.